Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? I am just recovering from being sick. So thank you guys for waiting for today's lesson. Um, just while I wait, while people get in the chat, if you could, we have a bunch of lessons on YouTube. So if you could go over and subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can see a bunch of lessons there. If you want, you can also like the Facebook page and you'll know when I go live. Oh, hello. Hi, everyone. How are you? Long time no see. Hello, Veno. Yes, I'm feeling better. Hello, Jordan. Yeah, I was sick for about a week. I was sick for about a week, so quite a long time. But I went to the doctor. I'm okay. I think it was just a really nasty cold. So, hello. How is everyone? How are you guys today? So it is 1-ish in the afternoon for me. So I don't know what time it is for you guys. I'm sorry if it's super late or super early. Also, I don't know why my camera keeps turning yellow. Hello, hello. Okay, so we're going to get into the lesson, all right? So we're learning negative interrogative sentences, okay? Very good. So, oh, DeSylvia, hello. Nice to see you again also. Okay, so actually a student commented this on YouTube. They wanted to know how to make negative interrogative sentences, okay? So an interrogative sentence is a question sentence, asking a question. And we want to know how we can make them negative, okay? Very good. Okay, so let's see. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm feeling much better. Thank you so much. Okay, so do you guys know how to make negative interrogative sentences? I heard that a lot of students had some confusion about how to make them negative. So I'm going to help you out with that today, okay? Yes, I'm very healthy now, finally. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, it's so orange for some reason. Okay, so maybe this will help. The whiteboard will help the white balance. Okay, so we're going to look at yes or no questions for today. You can also make negative interrogative questions with question words like what, who, when, where. But today we're going to focus on yes or no questions, okay? Yes or no questions. So they are formed with auxiliary verbs at the start of the sentence, okay? So like do, are, is, have, did. We're going to use auxiliary verbs to create our first question, okay? Very good. Then to make negative, add not after the subject. So we're going to add not after the subject. However, the most confusing thing for students is that if not is contracted with the auxiliary verb, the contraction comes before the subject. Okay, so we have two patterns. So we can have our auxiliary verb, subject and not, or we can have the contraction, auxiliary verb and not, then the subject, okay? So a little bit confusing, I think. All right, very good. So let's look at number 1. So we have a question here. Do you have time? Do you have time? Let's see. Can you make this into a negative as an interrogative question? So as an interrogative sentence. So we're going to make it into a question, right? It is a question here. Do you have time? But a negative question. Okay. Can anyone answer? How would you make this into a negative? Oh, I'm doing well. Thank you, Eric. Okay, so do you have time? Remember, we have two patterns. So, oh, very good. Do you not have time? So this is the first pattern. Do you not have time? So do you not? So we're going to put not after the subject. Do you not have time? So in this case, we don't use this pattern so often. Do you not have time? This kind of sounds like you're emphasizing, oh, do you not have time? I thought you did have time, but you don't have time. So here, do you not have time? It's a little bit of an emphasis. So usually when we simply ask this question, I would recommend saying, don't you have time? I would recommend asking this way. Don't you have time? Don't you have time? Okay. Very good. So this way, you do not have time. You do not have time. That is a statement. So you're saying as a fact, you don't have time. You do not have time. But as a question, yes. Don't you have time? Don't you have time? Or do you not have time? Very good. Excuse me. But I would recommend the contraction. Usually when we are speaking, when native speakers are speaking, we usually always contract just as our habit, right? Very good. Oh, is there something wrong with Myanmar? Oh no, I haven't seen any news, but I hope everyone is safe. Please, everyone, be careful. Okay. So, all right. Number 2. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? So we have two patterns, but let's go for the contraction. How would you make this a negative interrogative sentence? Oh, very good. Very good, Anne. Oh, very good. Okay, very good. Yes. So we could say the first way, are you not hungry? Oh, are you not hungry? Or maybe a little bit more commonly, aren't. Contraction. Aren't you hungry? Very good. Okay, aren't you hungry? So usually when we use these sentences, so are you hungry? Are you hungry? Aren't you hungry? Maybe if you use a negative interrogative sentence, you're kind of expecting the answer already. So, oh, aren't you hungry? It's been 7 hours since our last meal. Aren't you hungry? You already kind of expect the answer, okay? Are you hungry is, oh, I don't know. Are you hungry? I have no idea. Do you have time? So, don't you have time? Aren't you hungry? I think I know the answer. I think the answer is yes. Okay. I am not hungry. Very good. Okay. How about the next one, number 4? Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie? Oh, very good. You guys are really good with the answers. very good. Oh, some people are very fast. Very good. Okay. Have you seen this movie? So we can change it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I skipped. Is he happy? I'm so sorry. Is he happy? Oh, I'm running out of space. So we would say, here, I'll write it in a different marker so we can tell the difference. Because they're getting scrunched together. Is he happy? So is he not happy? Is he not happy? Or we could say, oops. Isn't he happy? I thought he was happy. Isn't he happy? Okay, so I scrunched in that one. Sorry. I skipped number 3. Is he happy? So we could say, is he not happy? I thought he was happy. Isn't he happy? I think he's happy. Okay, very good. Then, have you seen this movie? Yes, very good, very good. Oh, I still have a little bit of a cold left in my throat. Is he not happy? Very good. Okay, yes, nativo, very good. So, have you seen this movie? We could change it to have you not seen this movie? Seen this movie? So, if I go over to my friend's house and I say, "Oh, don't you remember this really famous movie when we were kids?" And they say, "Oh, did I watch that?" Maybe you might say, "Have you not seen this movie? Wow, I thought everyone saw this movie. Have you not seen it? That's crazy." Okay, then we could say, I'll write it over here, haven't. Remember, the contraction comes before the subject. Haven't you seen this movie? Okay, haven't you seen this movie? Haven't you seen this movie? Again, a lot of times in speaking, we will go for the contraction. So it's really important for you to know that the contraction always comes before the subject, okay? So we wouldn't say, you haven't seen this movie? Haven't you seen it? You haven't seen this movie? So remember, the contraction comes before the subject. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Okay. Number 5. Did you study? Did you study? Did you study? Okay. So we're going to say, oh, very good. Did you not study? Oh my gosh, did you not study? Uh-oh, you're in trouble. Did you not study? Or we could say, didn't you study? Didn't you study? Didn't you study? Uh-oh, our test is today. Didn't you study? Very good. Oh, you guys are so good with the answers. Yes. Okay, so remember, with yes or no questions, they're formed with auxiliary verbs at the start of the sentence. And to make negative, we add not after the subject. If not is contracted with the auxiliary verb, you're going to put that before the subject. Okay? Very good. Okay. What is my goodness? Oh, very good question. I say that a lot, I guess. So it's actually, oh my goodness. Oh my, oops. I spelled it wrong. Good. Oops. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So in English, a lot of times as an exclamation, people will say, You probably have heard, oh my God, right? But oh my God can sound a little bit strong. And maybe some people don't like to say, oh my God, right? So, oh my goodness is a nicer way of saying something like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Or we can say, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So instead of saying, oh my God, we can say, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's quite common, especially if you like I teach a lot of children, so I often use this expression. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, oh my gosh, I said it again. Oh my gosh. I have just a few minutes to before my next lesson. Okay. So, yes, I have to go. I have another lesson. Thank you so much. And please leave some negative interrogative sentences. Oh, very good. So do you speak Vietnamese language? Don't you? So maybe we would say, don't you speak Vietnamese? Don't you speak Vietnamese? Very good. Okay. Yes, if you have some questions, I think we're going to go over some more grammar points today. This week. Oh, very good. Have you not been studying since morning? Yes, that is correct. Very good. Have you not been studying since the morning? Excellent. Okay. So I'm so sorry I have to go so quickly, but I have other work that I need to do today. If you haven't yet, please go subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's a bunch of lessons, like the Facebook page. That way you'll know when I go live. Okay. Thank you everyone so much. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. I'll try to answer your questions later today. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.